Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Get Your Guide app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, click on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just keep going down until you find here notifications. Just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so until you will find here travel guides. You come to app notifications, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean travel guides notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.